to the Beginner Rebounding Bounce 101 series, where I break down the 7 basic rebounding moves that you will find across all rebounding format styles. So today we are going to work on low kicks and the high knee lifts. Be sure to look in the description box below, because that's where I will have all the videos and the breakdown of each and every exercise. And at the very end, I create one big workout using all 7 exercises in one rebounding workout. I'm so glad you're here with me. I am glad you have your rebounder. Feel free, no shoes, socks, but they must be grippy socks. Whatever your preference is, we're all here. I have a bungee style rebounder, a leaps and rebounds rebounder. It doesn't matter what rebounder we have, you got your rebounder and we're ready to bounce. All right guys, let's begin with your health bounce. Your feet are hip width apart. They can be a little more than hip width apart. Both feet are on the ground. It is a closed chain health bounce. It's also known as a safety bounce or a 2-foot bounce. So your hips, knees, ankles are coming forward. I say this in every video. Your feet are not rolling out too much. They're not rolling in too much. You have the weight evenly distributed among both feet. Your core's nice, solid, and tight. Shoulders melted away from your ears. Your chest is tall and proud. Soft bend in your knee. Your hips, knees, ankles are facing forward, and you're focusing on that downstroke. Rebounding is low impact, joint friendly. There's no jarring on the joints. It's great for the lymphatic system, which is a part of the immune system. Phenomenal for the digestive system. So many benefits to rebounding. It is for all ages, all levels. I'm glad you're here. Deep breath in. Glad you're doing this whole series with me too, learning the 7 basic moves. Again, inhale. Oh, there's more than 7 basic moves. These are just the 7 I picked that are pretty basic. Inhale and exhale. Let's take the shoulders in and out. Now start taking your heels off the ground. So we still have our feet on the rebounder. Our heels are coming off. Soft bend in the knees. Now if the arms are too much, you're holding on to your stabilizing bar. I do not have my stabilizing bar just yet. Just warming your body up. Now let's take the bounce up higher. Right here. Soft bend in your knees. Hips, knees, and ankles are coming forward. When you land and come down, the weight is evenly distributed among both feet. Not rolling the feet out, not rolling the feet in. Nice, balanced and even between both feet, not both foot. Whew. Hands can be on your hips. They could be on that stabilizing bar. That's up to you. Breathing it through. You can do this video 3 times a day just to get that blood flowing, oxygenating on a cellular level. Whew, got to get you nice and warm real quick. So if you want, you can begin to add your arms anytime you want a little extra calorie boost. Add those arms. You don't have to wait for me. You could circle arms to the side, arms up. That's up to you. All right, so what we're going to do is low kicks. So let's go into the safety bounce, closed chain, feet down. Now, you can kick. I'm just showing different levels. We're going to start here, holding onto your bar. A lot of balance here from the side. A lot of balance. Low kicks forward, right? So let's all start here. Let's see how that feels. Core engaged. Visualize you're wearing a corset around your body. Nice, solid, and tight. Belly button to the spine. Shoulders melted away from your ears. Holding onto the bar. No bar, hands on your hips. You're not rounding the shoulders forward. Your back is nice, tall, and proud. Now let's see what it feels like if we add a little bounce and a little low kick from the side. If that is too much for you, you don't do that. You come back here. It is all good. Maybe you want to try a little with the bounce, and then you want to go back. It's up to you. That's why I am creating these videos, to show you all levels and all modifications. Remember, our bounce will look different for each and every one of us, because some of us are bouncing on spring-loaded and some of us are bouncing on bungee style. So it depends on our rebounder, right? Okay, let's go back into that health bounce. You pick your style of health bounce. Now I'm going to show you the advanced version of the low kick forward right here. That's the advanced version. Bounce kick, okay? Anytime you get tired, come back into the closed chain health bounce where both feet are on the mat. We're gonna try whatever way you wanna do your low kick forward. You're gonna pick whatever variation, and we're gonna do that for 30 seconds. I'm gonna do the most advanced. You go where you need to go. Let's go. So right here, it's a low kick forward. Remember, I showed you all variations. So you pick, holding onto the stability bar, hands here or hands here. Woo! Or hands can be here. Whatever you prefer to do with your arms. It's all good, people. Health bounce, closed chain, heels off, bounce, up to you. Deep breath in, and an exhale. One more time, deep breath in, and an exhale. Okay, so last time, you're gonna just come down. Now closed chain, heels on the ground. I'm gonna show you high knee lift. Everyone, let's go. Right here, holding on to that bar. So today's workout, we're focusing on the low kicks forward, all the modifications, and high knee lifts. This is good, holding onto the bar. Hands here or hands here. It's whatever, wherever you're at, it's all good. Chest tall and proud though. Core nice, solid, tight and engaged. And you're not rolling out on your feet, and you're not rolling too forward in. You gotta be very mindful of proper body mechanics. Now, bounce knee if you want. So I'm moving us up. If you're not ready for that, you will not do that. Okay? Up to you. Your workout, your body. You can do a little hammer curl right here. And you have your hands on your hips. You could be holding your stabilizing bar. So it's a little bounce with a high knee from the side. Your choice. You pick. I know that heart rate's coming up. I gotta show you that advanced version. All right, go back into your health bounce. Pick whichever way, closed chain, heels off, or both feet off. While you're here in your health bounce, I'm gonna show you the high knee lifts, advanced version. So, right here. All right, we're still in that health bounce. Any way you want, you have 3 options for that health bounce. In 5 seconds, for 30 seconds, you're gonna do high knee lifts, any way you choose, any level. Let's go. I broke it down. I showed it to you. You can go faster than me. I love to do those hammer curls with it. High knee lifts, run it fast, run it slow. Core nice, solid, tight. shoulders melted away from your ears. That core is way super engaged. Health bounce. Any way you want, 30 seconds. I like my bounce. I like getting both feet off. I like using my arms. 20 more seconds in your health bounce. Then we're gonna go into that closed chain to get that heart rate down, and we're done. So you learn the low kick forward and the high knee lift. What do you think? Loving it? You guys are so awesome. Now remember, I'm calling these the 7 basic rebounder exercises. There are so many. I found these just to be in most rebounder workouts, so I wanted to create it. Okay, closed chain, deep breath in, focus on that downstroke, pressing down. Now if your heart rate's still too high, you're gonna stay in the health bounce until it comes down. Deep breath in, and exhale. One more time, deep breath in, and exhale. If your heart rate is still too high, hands on your hips, do that closed chain health bounce, also known as a safety bounce, also known as a 2-foot bounce, and a closed chain bounce. So each program has a different name for it. It's the same exercise. So remember, knees, hips, ankles, tracking forward. Core engaged, shoulders melted away from your ears, spine nice, tall, and long, chest tall and proud, soft bend in your knee, focusing on that down, that gravitational pull down. One more time, we're done. Deep breath in. And exhale. Be sure to look in the description box below, because I break down all 7 exercises and I show you all modifications for all 7 exercises. Angie Fitness TV. I'll see you for our next beginner rebounding bounce 101 workout together.